The Aston Martin Formula 1 team approached JCB graduates and apprentices and tasked us with trying to design and manufacture a time capsule for them to bury at their new Silverstone factory. And hopefully, in 50 years' time, we'll be able to take out all these great objects and kind of reminisce on how technology used to be and how, particularly both the JCB's kind of machinery industry and also the Formula 1 and how it's progressed over those 50 years. Hi, my name's Jed and I'm an engineering degree apprentice currently based at JCB Power Products. So today we've been 3D printing the model of the time capsule and just setting off the print really and getting that going. So the print's currently scheduled in for about 4 days. Due to the size of the model, it can take quite a bit of time. But it's useful to us because we've designed it in CAD so far, the capsule, and having seen a physical model allows us to see things that we can't necessarily see in CAD and just interpret the design in a different way. And also it allows us to understand the interfaces between different components in a little bit more detail.
Hi, my name's George Taylor. I'm a JCB degree apprentice. I'm currently studying manufacturing with electronics and I'm in group manufacturing at the moment. So we're here at Biostronic today and we're focusing on the bending of the sheet steel. We're currently using the press brakes to create a nice sweeping bend in the material. This is going to go and it's going to match the time capsule design that we've already created back at the JCB.
And I'm in my third year of my manufacturing engineering degree apprenticeship. As part of this project, I've been looking at the different manufacturing processes involved with ensuring the time capsule can be buried for over 50 years.
My name's Kieran Roberts. I'm a level 3 technician apprentice at JCB. We've got all the parts cut and bent over at Biostronic, and then they've been taken over to the JCB Academy where I've worked alongside them there to actually put it all together and get it built and welded up to what it is at today.
Hi, my name's Callum Hellaby. I'm a level 4 purchasing apprentice within JCB. My main roles and responsibilities have been looking after the procurement of the steel and all the other consumables within the project, and it's also been maintaining and looking after the budget.
My name's James Ownsworth. I'm a graduate engineer at JCB and I've worked on the project management and design of the capsule for the project to capture the heritage of both companies and also to support the new facility that's been built here at Silverstone.
My name's Amy and I'm on the Marketing and Sales Graduate Scheme at JCB. My involvement in the project was to help facilitate all the marketing. This spanned from documentation, organising videography, photography, right up until planning the final event.
I'm Lizzie, I'm a sales and marketing graduate. I've been involved in the marketing side of the project where I've helped to see the project from start to finish, and we've documented it through filming and photography. We've also created a scrapbook and a brochure to showcase the whole of the project. It's great to be part of a project which will be in Aston Martin and JCB history.